Hello everyone, welcome back to Nguyen Phat Tools channel. In today's video, I will show you how to managing multiple Facebook account and how to form it correctly without getting banned. So this is a software that I use to managing my multiple Facebook account. And you can see here I have more than 300 account. And this account, you can attach proxy. Each account will have different IP. And after we have the account here, we will make an interaction script. So the account will mimic the real behavior of a user. Like if you just using that account to auto comment here, the account doesn't have any history interaction. So we will make a script to do that. We will go to account interaction. First, I will choose the account that I want to warm up. Then I will click to add new script. And I will have a script here. This script, I will make an action mimic the real behavior. Like read notification, watching newsfeed, liking post on newsfeed, share post, scroll story video, and watching reel. And there, you can add friend. And not just this, you can interact with group, interact with your page. Okay, after I set up a script here, I'll press save. And then I would choose the script here. Okay, after everything is set up, I will go to setting and then check for the thread. I will set up 10 thread. It means 10 account running at the same time. Okay, I will press start and let the software do the work. And it will watching reel, scroll story, news feed, and rate notification and do the action. So we have history of interaction. Okay, here you can watch the whole process start working on the screen. If you need more information, please contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail will pin down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to Nguyen Phat Tools channel.